natural things, man-made things, living things and non-living things. Natural things are created by nature and man-made things are created by man. Okay? Living things have life, non-living things do not life. In this session, we are going to learn your workbook page number 5 checkpoint. Those who have books, open your workbook part 1 page number 6 and page number 5. Okay. Understood everyone? Here some pictures are given. Identify, and when it is living thing, write L, and when it is non-living thing, write N. Okay? Identify the living and non-living thing and write L for living things and NL non-living things. Identify the picture 1, tree. Okay? Tree is a living thing or non-living thing? Living thing. Here write down living things for L for living things. L for living things. And NL for non-living things. Understood everyone? If it is living thing, then you have to write L. If it is non-living things, then you have to write NL. Understood everyone? Living things for L and non-living things for NL. L for living thing and NL for non-living thing. Open your workbook page number 5. Tree is a living thing. So, we have to write here L. Second one, bricks. Bricks are living things or non-living things? Non-living things. Non-living things for NL. NL means non-living thing. Listen carefully. Snake. Snake is a living thing or non-living thing? Living thing. So, we have to write here living thing for L. Like this. Understood everyone? Complete the rest of figures also. Bag is a non-living thing. Bag is a non-living thing. So here write NL. Okay. Next, squirrel. Squirrel is a living thing. They write down L. And books are Understood everyone? Completed? Checkpoint. And slowly turn the page. Now, true or false? Now, true or false? Read these sentences and write true or false. Write T for true or F for false. If sentence is correct, then we have to write T. If sentence is wrong, then we have to write F. NATURA natural, AND and MAN man, MADE made, THINGS things, ARER SIMILAR similar. Natural and man-made things are similar. Sentence is true or false? True. Natural and man-made things are similar. Natural things are created by nature and man-made things are created by man. So those two are same? No. Natural things are created by nature and man-made things are created by man. Those two different between natural things are created by nature, man-made things are made by man. So the sentence is false. Right? F. NON non, LIVING living, THINGS non-living things, DIGO do, NOT not, MOVE move on their own. Non-living things do not move on their own. Child can move on their its own? No. So sentence is true. We have to write there T. Check your answers and ROCKS rocks, WATER water, AND and AIRA, ARER NON LIVING living, THINGS rocks, water and air are non-living things. Rocks, water and air are non-living things. The rocks, water and air, they have no life. So they are non-living things. Sentence is true. Write like this T. T for true. JUS coming to D. JUST just, LIKE like, ANIMALS animals, PLANTS plants, CAN can, also LSO also, feel, FEEL, feel. Just like animals, plants can also feel. Plants can feel and animals also feel. So the sentence is true. Next, E. NON non, LIVING living, THINGS things, non-living things, DIGO do, NOT not, HAVE have, BABIES non-living things do not have babies. Okay? Only living things have babies. Non-living things cannot reproduce. So they do not have babies. So sentence is true. Once check your answers. Natural and man-made things are similar. non-living things? True. Just like animals, plants can also feel? True. Non-living things do not have babies? True. Okay. Open your workbook page number 7. Learn and write today's homework. Understood everyone? Homework. Learn and write my observation observations part 1 page number 7 fourth bit. Understood? Today's EVS homework, learn and write my observations. Your workbook, part 1 workbook, page number 7, fourth bit. What is that? Circle the odd one in each group. Here 2 questions are there. Each group has 4 pictures. Identify the pictures and circle the odd one. Where is a natural thing and mountains are natural thing. Tree is a natural thing. Building is a man-made thing. So in this group, which one is odd one? Building. You have to circle like this. Identify the pictures. Which one is different one? Identify and circle it. Second B. Snake is a natural thing. Child is a man-made thing. Fish is a natural thing. Bird also natural thing. In this group, which one is odd one? Child. Identify the child and circle like that. Understood everyone? Like that, complete the today's EVS homework, my observation, part 1, page number 7, fourth bit. Okay? Next, coming to living and non-living things. Third bit, page number 6. Page number 6, third bit. Look at the board everyone. Write down the names of any 2 living and non-living things around you. Write here any 2 living things and any 2 non-living things around us. First one, living things. Say the any 2 living things around us. Living, living. Things. Say the any 2 living things around us. Cat, very good. Dog. Write neatly and carefully. Cat and dog. These 2 are living things. Second bit, non-living things. Second one, write any 2 non-living things around us. Child, table, sofa, TV, bag, books, any 2. You have to write. Vivo, OKS books, bag, BAG bag. second bit, third bit completed already, and fourth bit is today's your EVS homework. And check your answers. Living things are cat, dog, your and non-living things books, bag. And coming to fifth bit, write one difference difference BETWEEN between NATURAL natural, AND MAN man, MADE made, THINGS things, ALSO also, GIVEQ TWO2 examples, EXAMPL ES examples, FR for EACH each. Write one difference between natural and man-made things. Also give two examples for each. These two answers completed. Okay. Coming to fifth bit. Read the statement and complete the answers. Okay. Okay. Write one difference between the natural and man-made thing. Also give two examples for each. Page number 7, fifth bit. Natural things and man-made things. Okay. Natural things are created by nature and man-made things are made by man. Sharp your pencils, write neatly and carefully. NATURAL natural. Things THINGS things. ARER slowly, write slowly. Created 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 by nature. NATURE nature. Nature. These are and man-made things are book, chalk, duster, fan, table. Understood everyone? Today's CBS homework, workbook page number 7, 4th week. Understood everyone? Okay? And complete your answers also. And let's revise things around us, textbook reading, and natural things, man-made things, living things and non-living things. Okay? Bye.